Okay. Command, confirm strike. Another shovel on the end of my sled, the red patch. Approximately 2 feet down, 2 feet under the snow. We've just uncovered them.
Oh, okay.
Okay.